Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the 5 cool travel gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Number 1. The Steal Go Fabric Defuzzers. Introducing the Steal Go Fabric Defuzzer, a portable and rechargeable fabric shaver that instantly removes fuzz, pilling, and lint from clothes and beddings. Its gentle design protects fabrics while effectively restoring their luster. With an ergonomic button and lightweight build, it's easy to use and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Enjoy ample runtime per charge, providing 30-40 minutes of powerful defuzzing. Keep your garments looking fresh and renewed with this compact lint remover. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Timekettle WT2 Language Translation Earbuds. Introducing Timekettle WT2 Edge W3 translator device, offering bidirectional simultaneous translation in 40 languages and 93 accents. The lightning-fast translation, as quick as 0.5 seconds, ensures smooth conversations. Powered by leading engines, it delivers highly accurate translations with smart noise reduction. 4 easy connection modes: simultaneous, touch, speaker, and group chat. Ergonomic and lightweight design with up to 12 hours of battery life. Unlock the world with this multilingual online translation device. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2 Camera. Introducing DJI Pocket 2, the pocket-sized 3-axis gimbal stabilizer with a 4K camera. Weighing only 116 grams, it fits perfectly in your hand and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life. Capture smooth videos and crisp photos with motorized stabilization and a 1.7 inches sensor for 64 megapixels photos and 4K videos. Enjoy enhanced audio with DJI Matrix Stereo and create share-worthy content with the AI editor. Compatible with most smartphones, it's the perfect companion for stunning footage on the go. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Rolling Square inCharge 6. Introducing the Rolling Square inCharge 6, a versatile portable keychain 6-in-1 multi-charging cable in Mercury Gray. Connect any device to any power source and charge sync simultaneously. Its magnetic design lets you hang it on your keyring. Built tough with zinc aluminum alloy housing, TPU cable guard, and 9D braided copper wires for durability. Power up with ease and convenience. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. CACACOL Phone Emergency Charger. Introducing the CACACOL Portable Magnetic AA or AAA Battery Phone Emergency Charger. This mini charger works with AA or AAA batteries, transforming them into a power bank. With its native micro-USB interface and included micro-USB Lightning and micro-USB Type-C adapters, it suits almost all devices. Compact and safe, it's the perfect emergency phone charger for on-the-go use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.